Café Albania.
Do you not get the concept?
We are currently on our way to Café Albino. I don't even know what it is about having Albania. Chat, I'm cooked. I didn't put on no sunscreen. Do I go back to the room and get it? I should, right? My face is gonna start peeling. Oh my God, back upstairs. Back upstairs. Hey guys, we are finally at the park. It took us like 2 hours to get here. I knocked out so bad. It's not even funny. Well, we're gonna walk around first because everything is one time. We got the all-inclusive wristbands, which was $40, and then you do like a $5 entry fee, but they technically take it off on entry. So come on, let's go see the cafe first. Isn't it so pretty?
Never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.
We just ordered food. Janai got nachos. I got the panini steak o pollo, and I realized that it meant steak or chicken, so I got steak. I'm pretty sure that's probably what I ate yesterday. I didn't want a burger and I didn't want tacos. I really wanted to get one of these like big meals here, but because we were gonna go to McDonald's later, I need to save my appetite. You know what's so funny? Because Janai is allergic to tomatoes, she cannot eat nothing out here.
That's not true.
She cannot eat. Like, imagine coming to a Spanish-speaking country where it's tacos and what's it called with with the tomatoes, the relish.
Coco de gallo, I don't like that. I told him to take it off. He took it off. I told him I was allergic. He said, "Oh."
So this is what she got instead. Chicken. It looks nice and crispy. I'm gonna steal one. And then look at this giant smoothie. I'm not gonna lie, when you out here, you got to take your time when you order, because yesterday I told y'all we thought that we was about to be starving. We barely could have finished our food.
It was so, that was so much.
It was mad good though.
We needed one.
It was on a tiny plate. I was like, how did they fill it up? It felt like it was Thanksgiving, y'all.
I also want to tell the people. I literally want to tell the people. Kaya keeps asking for hot sauce, and they keep giving her chilies, and she's like hot sauce, and they're like, no, not doing that.
This is my food. It looks really good. A steak burger. It's giving Philly cheesesteak.
They have, yeah.
You have to add on for the jalapeno, 75 cents. We're gonna try Janai's chicken. Oh, it looks so good.
Flat, you know how it goes.
This is the best chicken I ever had in my entire life.
You're mad dramatic.
Taste it. Oh, you ruined it with the sauce. Extra crispy.
It's very good with the ranch.
Deep fried. If we end up in the hospital out here, Miss Mom, back in Texas, it was her idea. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. She wants to bite this little piece right here.
There's no tomato right here. I'm gonna make it.
Well, eat it.
It's good.
It's good.
I like the sauce.
Ooh, it's falling out. I like the sweat. This chipotle sauce. These purple onions, they really be having a breath stink though, because I could taste this on my breath.
That's good.
One thing about me is I know how to pick off the menu.
This little restaurant though surprised me. I wasn't expecting everything to be good.
Why not? It's not in America. They cook the food here.
No, not like that. Like, sometimes when you see things and they're not things that they would have, like more like American food, you don't taste right.
Bro, they killed the chicken. They caught the fish. We watched them fry potato chips at the carnival last night. Everything out here is fresh. First up, we're gonna do the maze. Yay. All right, let's go. Guys, ain't no security at all.
No, the gate was open and everything.
This is a flower maze, so there's actually two. I think this is a dead end?
No.
But the entrance is right here, isn't it? I don't think we should split up in here.
Well, I don't think we should split up. You split up. I was in front of you. You turned around.
You know what's funny, guys? You know when you see the mazes on like the little papers and stuff, you're like,
oh, that's easy.
Yeah, like how could you not get through it? It's so easy. Bro, why can I not figure it out? And I'm not gonna even remember the face. So me and Janai are about to do first one out. We need to start back from the beginning. Did we make it out already? I think this is the exit.
No way, we just did this. No. That's a dead end, it looks like.
Okay, first one out wins.
Wait!
Don't follow me.
Don't follow to go.
Don't follow me. Is that the exit? I think this is the exit.
Though. This is an exit. I don't think it's the exit because it's open.
Bro. Oh nah, they got bees in here. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's gone, guys. She's gone. My thing is, how the hell am I supposed to remember? Wait, guys, I think we're out of here. Oh, I win. I win. I win. I win. I win.
Don't freaking way. The same way.
I made it.
We literally walked the whole most of the thing together.
Now as we walked most of the way together. I see Janaya walking through Lost.
Bro, she literally followed me the whole way. That is, she turned around.
I made it.
Don't follow.
Here in the real maze, they checked the tickets here, so I guess the flower maze was for funsies.
That makes sense because it was so short. Oh, look at how pretty.
Yeah, the view is crazy. No, this is bigger than I thought it would be. Y'all, why are there stairs in the maze? Stairs.
Not like 4 or 5 stairs. Like.
You're gonna be walking up and down and up and down.
No.
What about this way?
No, she just came back here.
I'm weak. Janaya's not trying to do any extra walking. What's how it goes? There's 2 splits in a road. Take the road less traveled.
Yeah.
But Janaya already spoiled it by asking. Janaya literally just asked
I think no, we can do a good. He said yes.
She's gonna ask the guy if we're going the right way. Cheater, cheater, cheater. These stairs.
Look, but both of these sides have all these stairs. I'm not about to.
Well, technically it's in the center. I think it's this way.
Okay.
Oh look, the flag post. We're doing good.
Yay.
We're doing good. Are we?
Anxious to walk in there.
All right, guys. I just want to let y'all know we made it. Survival skills, not that good.
That was hard. You keep looking over here like, what are you?
We cheated, yes, but did we make it through? Yes.
Cheating is subjective.
Look at the view, y'all. Look at this maze. This maze was hard as hell. Hard as hell.
Johnny, la gente está muy loca. What the fuck?
Look at nobody else dancing. She said, "This is my song." She looks terrified.
Never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.
And I'm the smoker, we raise a bet. Cause you're the joker, tripped off. You are the yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I. Just put your pretty little hand in mine. Even when we die through the wild days, even when you or
That was by far one of the scariest things I have ever done in my entire life, y'all. Like, oh, that drop is mad scary. That was scarier than when I jumped out the plane. This is why bungee jumping is like literally at the top of my bucket list coming up, because I'm like, that free fall is something crazy. Like, it's crazier than dropping on a roller coaster. Like, nothing can prepare you for that. He even counted down and I was still like, hell no. Are you ready?
I was nervous and he said, "You can do it. I believe in you." So I feel okay now.
All right, let's go.
Say all on his mouth like liquor. Stood in the hey, Miss Carter. Say, hey, Miss Carter. Give me some. Drop the bass, my bass, get low. Radio say speed it up, I just go slow. High like trouble, up and on the wheels. The man ain't ever seen me do it like this. Why you think you keep my name rolling on the tongue? Cause when you wanna smash, I can write another one. I sneeze on the beat and the beat got sick up. Young say all on the mouth like liquor. 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 Like liquor, like.
Okay, hold here.
Yep. Are you ready? Watch her flip over. It's me.
Alright guys, biking across El Salvador.
Never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.
And I'm the smoker, we raise a bet. Cause you're the joker, chipped off. You are the yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I. Just put your pretty little hand in mine. Even when we die through the wild days, even when you or die, you
could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. Never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.
Why are you fully turned around?
and I'm the smoker, we raise a bet. Cause you're the joker, chipped off. You are the black boy, you can be the